Let's explore the importance of adopting a money mindset and investing in your financial future. Keisha Bailey here, financial expert and wealth coach. First, let's talk about building an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable and unexpected events can occur at any point. Having an emergency fund ensures that you have a safety net to fall back on if anything unexpected happens. This fund should ideally cover at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Next thing is budgeting. Budgeting is key to taking control of your finances. By tracking your income and expenses, you can identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary spending and save more money. Now, let's move on to my favorite thing. Investing is about making your money work for you rather than the other way around where money runs your head. Investing in stocks, bonds, and mutual funds can help you grow your wealth over time. But remember, investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time and patience to see significant returns. So start early and be consistent with your investing habits. Finally, it's important to keep in mind that living your best life right now doesn't have to come at the expense of your financial future. By adopting a money mindset and implementing these simple tips and tricks, you can set yourself up for financial success in the long run. So go ahead, live your best life now, but also invest in yourself and your financial future.